Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you the simple steps to mute a chat on Instagram for 1 hour. Whether you need a quick break from notifications or just want some peace without leaving the conversation, muting messages temporarily is a perfect solution. First, open your Instagram app. Once you're in, head over to your direct messages by tapping the paper plane icon or the messenger icon at the top right corner of your home screen. This will take you to your inbox where all your chats live. Next, find the chat you want to mute. Instead of opening it, press and hold on the chat thread. This long press will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, look for the option that says Mute Messages and tap on it. Instagram gives you different choices for how long you want to mute the chat, but today we're focusing on muting it for just 1 hour. Select 1 hour from the list. Once you tap it, the chat will be muted, meaning you won't receive any message notifications from that conversation for the next hour. This is great for when you need a short break without missing messages entirely. After the hour is up, notifications will automatically turn back on, so you don't have to worry about manually unmuting the chat later. And that's it! Muting a chat on Instagram for 1 hour is quick and easy. It's a handy feature to manage your notifications and stay focused whenever you need to. Try it out next time you want a little quiet time without leaving your friends hanging. Thanks for watching.